name is Janice Stewart, and I am a sports medicine physician, and I'm here today to talk about chiropractic treatment. I do have to say, when I first learned about chiropractors, I didn't really know much about them, didn't really learn much about what they do in my training, and it wasn't until I actually saw a chiropractor for a completely different reason other than chiropractic manipulation during my training that I really learned what they did. So I actually am a sufferer from migraines, and during my training with my lack of sleep, not being able to eat properly, my migraines would flare. And I happened to be in a chiropractor's office learning about some other information and research they were doing when I received an adjustment. And one thing I did not tell them was that I had had a migraine for about 2 weeks at that time. And once they did the adjustment, it went away. And ever since, I've been a believer in chiropractic manipulation and chiropractic treatments for different ailments and injuries that I myself have experienced and my patients and my athletes have. So I met Dr. Webb, or Dr. Rocky as us patients affectionately call her, almost a year ago because my migraines were coming back. I was having shoulder pain, I have torn cartilage in my shoulder, and just wasn't really interested in taking any more medications or having surgery. I wasn't really interested in having any surgery to fix the torn cartilage in my shoulder, and I really couldn't find any relief from the medications or other treatments I was receiving for my migraines. So once I remembered that chiropractic treatment really helped me during my training, I was referred to Dr. Webb for chiropractic treatments as well. So once we started seeing each other and getting treatments over the last year, she's really been able to get my migraines under control. And that was the biggest reason I saw her. But then I happened to mention to her that I also was having shoulder pain and foot pain. And at that time, I didn't even realize that chiropractors do adjustments and manipulations for extremities. So she asked if I wanted her to adjust, and I said, sure, let's try it. And ever since she did that, I have gotten rid of my foot pain, I've gotten rid of the shoulder pain. Sometimes it comes back and all I do is call her up and say, hey, I need another adjustment. And she comes in, does an evaluation, adjusts really from head to toe if I need to, which has also helped to get rid of the pain from my shoulder and my foot. So as a sports medicine physician, we really didn't learn much about chiropractic treatment and what chiropractors do, but over the course of the last year and even in my training, I've really come to appreciate the manipulations and the education that I've received from Dr. Webb on what chiropractors do and how they can help not only just everyday people that may not necessarily exercise on a regular basis. So I highly recommend, if you have any type of injury, any aches or pains, anything that comes up during your sports season, during your off season, most importantly during your off season, getting your rehab up to speed so that you can go through your next season, hopefully injury free, I highly recommend that you seek out chiropractic treatments, in particular, seek out Dr. Webb.